And we are in front of a MAN rocket camper, the TG3 180 4x4, where you can add the seats, then interesting design inside, a smaller fridge from Dometic, standard automatic transmission with the MAN interior. Actual table is fall down by this row. Lot of cabinet space. I wonder where is the toilet. And going back to the back side, this is the actual storage unit with actual bed with soft mattress on top. Pretty interesting design. It will be hard to measure this because it's kind of off limits for now. Yeah, but pretty interesting design with this rocket camper from MAN.